Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. And today I decided to pack what I'm going to call Perma pack travel bags. This is stuff where it's already ready to go when it's time to travel, and I don't need to repack it because it's ready. I don't unpack it when I come home from a trip. It just stays ready to go, because I promise you that no matter how much advance notice I get on when I'm going to be going out of town, I feel like I'm always running against the clock and I always miss something. So I decided to make perma packs where I just pull everything out and get it into bags and sorted compartments and leave it packed, so whenever I'm ready to go, I just add it to my suitcases and I'm out. Okay, so the first thing I did was I made two lists, one for Mr. D and one for myself. And then I just went through the list and started pulling things out. Now, ladies, you know that we're going to use different types of cleansers for our face, depending on what it is that we are doing for that day or that evening. So I'm going to pack a variety of things. I might want to be a skin glow for nighttime. This is my moisturizer. I'm still acne prone. Even in my 50s, I'm still acne prone. So if I'm having a flare up, I'll throw this on there. And I love these. I haven't seen them at CVS Pharmacy in a long time, but I got most of these for free. Skincare, I found these witch hazel towelettes that I could take to travel at Marshall's, and they were 50 cents each. And you know, that's good for toning. And here's some witch hazel pads. They were $1 each. If I'm not mistaken, the got to be glues that I have for my hair, or if I'm going to be wearing a wig personality, I think I got most of these for free, or maybe 50 cents. I'm not really quite sure. These are some facial cleansing pads. You can just wet them by Garnier and use them to wipe away makeup and stuff like that. But normally what I would do, since I have some that are missing the front, I would use this to kind of pre-wipe and then take that makeup off and then go back in with my cleansers. This was some nail polish remover that I got at Walmart clearance for $1.82, and it says all you have to do is swipe and go, no spills, no mess, just wipe. So even if I'm in the car and I want to change my polish because I didn't like it and didn't get a chance to take it off before it's time to go, I don't have to worry about getting it nail polish remover all over the car. I have some CeraVe face cream here for inflammation with acne. I have some makeup mover by Maybelline, some Pond's. My grandmother used to use this Pond's beauty cream. It used to smell so good when I was a kid, and I used to get in trouble for digging in it. Okay, so I also pulled out some travel size saline solution for my contacts, a contact lens case, disinfectant cleanser for contacts, and then glasses. I always travel with glasses, so whether it's my reading glasses or my prescription glasses, I always have glasses with me when I travel, and so that's how I'm going to take care of those items. Now I have some Olay body wash and skin conditioner. Guys, if you have not tried this skin conditioner, the scent is magic. And my skin feels so super smooth. You guys, you gotta try it. I'm telling you, you gotta try it. Take a bath, put some of this conditioner on before you get in bed with your love, and yeah, you gotta try it. I did get some travel size deodorant for me, and travel size nail dryer. It was 49 cents at Kroger. Travel size Tresemme mousse. Don't remember how much it was, but hey. And some Johnson & Johnson baby shampoo. Now with this particular shampoo, you guys, since I started learning how to put on eyelashes maybe a year ago or so, I learned that if I'm going to keep them on overnight, I want a tear-free shampooer to clean my eyes that won't strip away the adhesive on my lashes, whereas some of these other ones that are maybe oil based, they're going to take those lashes right on off. And since I struggle to get the lashes on, when I get them on, I'm just going to need them to just ride with me until my trip is over. I have some CeraVe lotion, and I just throw this in here because I just do. So it's $7.90. It was $7.99. I've had it for a minute though. I wouldn't pay $7.99 for it in this stage of my life, but yeah. Some Copper Tone Wet and Clear, and you guys, whether it says for kids or adults, the active ingredient is still the same. The amount and formula is still the same. So if you see it on sale, just go ahead and grab it. Now, I thought that I had some travel size shave cream. I don't know where it is, but I have some inexpensive shave cream, and I'm pretty sure that I got this for clearance at Walmart. But I'm not too sure, but I think I did. And I paid 48 cents for this 48 hours of moisture by Nivea. They had some coupons. I think they were $2 off of 10 ounces or more, and the 10 ounce was $2.48 at Walmart. So that's how I paid 48 cents. Now I do love the Nivea breathable lotion, especially for when I'm going to be out in the heat doing an activity, but I don't want to have dry skin, ashy skin. This is great because it allows your skin to breathe while you play. I have a travel clock that someone gifted to me, and even though we all have clocks on our phone, just say the power went out or something like that and your phone didn't charge, you can use this. I noticed that the back is missing when I pulled it out today, so we'll find the back and get that ready to go. And when I go to the hot wing place, they give me these, and so guess what, now they just travel with me. This, believe it or not, is a pop-out hat zipped in this little pouch. When I pull it out, a big green hat comes out to block the sun. I might have 100 packages of this, okay? But now this is also good for when you're out in the hot sun and you want to just wipe your face. Not if you're wearing makeup, but if you just want to wipe your face to kind of keep the sweat away, this is ideal. And your girl must have some disinfectant. I had to get my Lysol wipes, so I must have some disinfectant. These purse size, travel size sprays, I think I got them at Walmart for maybe $2 or somewhere around there. They fit in my purse. I keep one in my purse. I put one in my travel bag in case the one in my purse runs out, because when I'm doing something, I have to touch something or whatever, I want to be prepared. And we have our Lysol. And you guys, disinfectant spray is not just good for surfaces, but it's an aerial spray. So you can spray when you go into the hotel room. You know, you can spray a little bit. Don't spray a lot because you'll be in there coughing and choking. Don't do that. Just spray some in there so you can kind of decontaminate, or if you're getting into a rental car and you want to decontaminate the rental car, then that's something that you want to do. So guys, what I'm going to do now is start putting this stuff away in my bag. I got this beautiful bag from Ross. It is by Under One Sky. And it was, I think, $24.99, but look at how beautiful it is. And all the pouches that come in here with the positive, motivating words. Yes, girl, you can do it. It is so gorgeous. It's so gorgeous. You guys, I don't know if the pictures are going to do justice. I really don't. But it is so gorgeous. And this bag, once I pack it today, it's going to stay packed. Now, I bought a new set of luggage at Macy's that I'll do a review on, and in that luggage it came with little pouches for makeup or travel supplies and stuff like that, and I'm going to use those for some other things, but right now I'm going to pack this bag and then I'll come back and show you the other stuff. Okay, so we are using the packs on this trip, and I realized some things that I'm missing are hand soap, because now they only have this soap, and I did not pack a good amount of tools for my hair. It just kind of combs out into